Okay, let us try to answer this. Okay, number 1. Name all the exterior angle. Monares.
Angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, angle 10.
Okay, very good. The exterior angles are angle. Start tayo anak kay 1. We have angle 5 and angle 7. Okay, 2 naman. Ano exterior niya? 6 and 8. Kay 3, 4 at 12. Ma'am, hindi po kasama si 9, si 11 at si 10. Ano pong tawag doon?
Vertical.
They are vertical angle because they have a common vertex but no common side. Okay, number 2. Name all the interior angles. Cotton. Interior. How many interior angles do we have? 3 lang po. Okay. Any question? Okay, next, number 3. What are the remote interior angle of angle 5? Tambawan? Very good. Angle 2 and angle 3. Ano daw po ma'am yung angle na nasa loob pero hindi katabi ni angle 5? Okay, si angle 2 at si angle 3. Kasi si angle 1 ay katabi. Ang tawag doon ay adjacent angle. So, in exterior siya ni angle 1. Next, another question. Number 4. This time anak, may given na tayong measurement. The measure of angle 1 is 68 degree, while the measure of angle 12 is 125 degree. Number 4. What is the adjacent interior angle to angle 4? Or sa Tagalog, ano daw po anak yung angle nakatabi ni angle 4? Silva. Okay, very good. Angle 3. Okay, and class, the measure of adjacent interior angle are supplementary. Ma'am, what is supplementary? The sum of the two angles is always equal to 180 degree. Pag 90 anak, complementary ang tawag doon. Pag 180, they are supplementary. Ang pinag-uusapan dito anak, the sum of the two angles is always equal to 180 degree. That is adjacent. That is linear pair. Dito papasok si linear pair. Pag sinabing linear pair, adjacent na, may common side, may common vertex, at the same time, equal yung sum niya sa 180 degree. Katulad anak ni angle 4 at ni angle 3. They are linear pair. Magkatabi, may common vertex, may common side. So meaning, pag pinag-plus ko anak si angle 3 at si angle 4, equal yung measurement nila kay 180 degree because they are linear pair. Do you understand? Okay, next, number 5. Let us identify the measurement na. What do you think is the measure of angle 3? Let us analyze how to find the measure of angle 3. Ano kaya yung relationship niya dun sa mga measurement? Okay, check natin. Si angle 3 po ba ay may katabing angle na may measure? What is the relationship of angle 3 and angle 12?
Adjacent.
Adjacent sila, meaning the sum is what?
180.
180 degree. Now, if we have 125 degree, how to find the measure of angle 3? What we're going to do? Very good. We need to subtract 125 kanino?
180.
Very good. And what do you think is the answer?
55.
Very good. 55 degree. Do you understand? So, therefore, the measure of angle 3 is 55 degree. Any question? Okay, next, number 6. What do you think is the measure of angle 2? What can you say about the sum of the measure of the interior angle? Okay, ang tatlong interior angle ay laging equal sa 180. Anak, meron ako ditong 68. Meron na rin akong 55 degree. Paano kaya makuha si angle 2? Okay, what are the two operations? Plus and? Okay, sino ipa-plus natin? Si 68 at si 55. Yung magiging answer nun, ima-minus ko naman kay? Very good, kay 180 degree. What do you think is the answer? Let's solve na. 68 plus 55 degree. 123. Then subtract 123 kanino? What do you think is the answer? 50. Very good. The answer is 57 degree. Okay, next, number 7. How to find or what do you think is the measure of angle 7? To get the measure of angle 7, this is angle 7, right? Okay, pwede natin i-apply yung dalawang method. What are those? First is the exterior angle, and the second one is pwede natin i-apply si remote interior angle. Focus tayo anak kay exterior angle. What is the adjacent angle of angle 7? Angle 1. Angle 1 and angle 7 are example of linear pair. And when we say linear pair, they have the same side, same vertex, and the measure is always equal to 180 degree. Now, if we have already 68 degree, how to find the measure of angle 7? Just subtract. Subtract what? 68 to 180 degree. And what is the answer? Yes? 112 degree. Okay, that is the first way. The second way is by getting the remote interior of angle 7. What is the remote interior of angle 7?
Angle 2.
Angle 2 and angle 3. Para makuha natin, anak, the measure of this exterior angle, kunin mo yung measure ni remote interior niya. Ano po ba yung remote interior na angle 7? Angle 2 and angle 3. Ipagpa-plus lang yan para makuha itong nasa labas. O, 55 plus 57.
112.
Parehas pa rin po yun. 112 degree. Do you understand? So, dalawang method natin, either using the linear pair or pwede rin si remote interior angle. O, next, number 8. What do you think is the measure of angle 4? Monares. O, paano mo anak nakuha si 125? Kanino?
Kaya na. 12.
Very good. So, to find the measure of angle 4, anak, tatlo yung pwede nating i-apply. Una, linear pair. Pangalawa, remote interior. Pangatlo, pwede na dyan si vertical angle. O, focus tayo, anak, kay linear pair. Si angle 4, ano ka linear pair niya? Angle 3. Linear pair, katabi, anak. Angle 3. O, para makuha si angle 4, ima-minus mo to kay 180. Anong sagot? 125 degree. Iyon yung unang way. Second way is by getting the remote interior. What is the remote interior of angle 4?
Angle 1.
Angle 1 and angle 2. Ipag-plus mo lang yan, makukuha mo to. Anong sagot? 125 degree pa rin. At yung third method ay pwede nating i-apply yung vertical angle. What is the vertical angle of angle 4? Oh, they are vertical, meaning they are congruent. And what is the measure of angle 12? Therefore, we can say that angle 4 is also 125 degree. Naintindihan po? Ma'am, pwede po bang vertical na lang kung meron naman? Opo, kahit ano sa tatlo, mahalaga tama ang inyong sagot. Next, number 8. Number 9. What do you think is the measure of angle 8? How to find the measure of angle 8? We can apply the two method. What are those? By getting the remote interior angle. What is the remote interior of angle 8? Angle 1 and angle. What we're going to do? Just add lang. 68 plus 55. Very good. 123 degree. Next, number 10. What is the measure of angle 9? Silva. Anong ginamit mo, anak? Anong relationship? Kanino? Kay angle 1. Because angle 1 and angle 9 are vertical angle. And they are congruent. So, pwede rin po, anak, si angle 9 at si angle 7. What is the relationship of the two angles? Linear pair. Adjacent sila. Tama ba? Magkatabi? They have a common vertex and a common side. So, automatic, the sum is 180 degrees. So, ang gagawin mo lang, anak, minus mo to kay 180. Ganun din, 68 pa rin po ang makukuha. May